Hello friends, let's start to fix wireless capabilities turned off in Windows 10 issue. If you find this video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now first of all, make sure two things. First, many laptops have Wi-Fi physical key on the keyboard to make Wi-Fi enable or disable. Make sure that Wi-Fi key is enabled in your laptop. Second, you also need to make sure that wireless network is turned on in Windows Mobility Center. To check it, type Windows Mobility in search box and open Windows Mobility Center. As you can see that in my case there is no wireless network option, but in few cases you may get this option like this. Make sure that wireless network is on. If not, just click on Turn Wireless On. Now start fix 1. Enable Wi-Fi adapter and alter power management setting. Press Windows key plus R key and type ncpa.cpl in the run box and hit enter. As you can see, network connection has been opened. Now right click on your Wi-Fi network and enable it. Again, right click on your Wi-Fi network and select Properties. Click on Configure. Now go to Power Management tab. Here you can see that allow the computer to turn off this device to save power is checked. You need to uncheck it. Now click on OK. Now move to Fix 2. Run the Network Troubleshooter. Right click on Start menu. Select Network Connections. You will see Network Troubleshooter like this, or you will see like this, Troubleshoot. You just need to click on Network Troubleshooter or Troubleshoot. In my case, I will click on Network Troubleshooter. It will fix the issue automatically. Just follow the troubleshooter on-screen instructions. Once this process completed, check if your problem is fixed. Fix 3. Uninstall the network adapter. Right click on Windows Start menu. Select Device Manager. As you can see that Device Manager has been opened. Double click on Network Adapter. Here you can see the list of adapters. You have to look for any of these adapters like Broadcom, Atheros, Realtek or Intel adapter. You will find one of them. As you can see, in my case it is Broadcom. In your case it could be some other brand, as I mentioned earlier. Right click on it and select Uninstall device. Click on Uninstall. Now restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the latest driver. After restart, check if you are able to connect internet. Fix 4. Update Network Adapter. Again, right click on Windows Start menu. Select Device Manager. Double click on Network Adapters. Right click on your network adapter and select Update Driver. Click on Browse my computer for driver software. Now click on Let me pick from list of available drivers. You can see the list of drivers. You have to select first one. Now click on Next. As you can see that driver has been updated. If you are still unable to use internet, fix 5. Reset network. Right click on Start menu. Select Network Connections. Here you need to click Network Reset. Select Reset Now. Click on Yes to confirm. Your PC will be restarted. Check after restart your Wi-Fi is working or not. Hopefully your Wi-Fi issue has been fixed.